There was a rich man. He was not in good terms with his wife for several years, and he developed an irritable mood. I hope you understand what is irritable mood. He used to get angry very easily. He developed such a mood because he was not in good terms with his wife. The relationship between him and his wife was not so good. In all those years, he told his secretary in the office not to allow any salesman into his office. One day, fortunately, his wife gave him a cup of coffee with a smile on her face and spent some good time with him. He felt very happy and went to office in a very good mood. Remember, he was in a very irritable mood for several years because he was very unhappy in the relationship with his wife. Now that his wife gave him a cup of coffee one fine morning with a smile on her face and spent some good time with him, poor fellow, he felt very happy and went to office in a good mood. Actually, he told in all those years when he was in irritable mood, he told his secretary in the office not to allow any salesman into his cabin. Then what happened? On that day when he went to office in a very good mood, his secretary was on leave and another guy took her place. His secretary took leave on that day. Another guy in the office took the place of the secretary. And that new secretary doesn't know about the condition put by the boss, that is not to allow any salesman. So he allowed a salesman into the office on that day, into the cabin of the boss. The rich man allowed the salesman to sit in front of him. Look at this. For several years, he did not allow the salesman because on that day he was happy, he was in good mood. He allowed that salesman who came on that day, who visited him on that day, he allowed him to sit. The salesman also was very intelligent and he convinced him and made a huge sale because the customer was in good mood. He was happy, that too after several years. So he took the advantage of that as a salesman and did a great job. He made a huge sale. The rich man said to the salesman, "You are very lucky. In the last several years, forget about doing business with me, talking to me. I did not even allow the 162 salesmen into my office. I just rejected them without looking at their faces," he said. "Today, I am in a good mood. And coincidentally, my secretary is on leave and the other guy sitting in her place allowed you inside, so you are very lucky," he said. The salesman replied very politely, "Sir, I am the salesman who got rejected all the 162 times. I am the same salesman who was rejected all the 162 times. They were not different salesmen. It is me who is sitting in front of you." This is the type of attitude and level of patience required in business. Same should be the attitude if you want to achieve your dreams. Either you achieve it or die in the process of achieving it. That's all. Thanks for listening. All the best.